¿Qué la doing? Es que doing. Es que doing. Today I am bringing y'all a Haitian Flag Day inspired makeup tutorial. Let me not even say Haitian Flag Day inspired makeup tutorial. A Haitian Flag inspired tutorial. I know this weekend a lot of us should have been celebrating in Miami, turning up, but you know, COVID-19 had her plans. But you know what? Y'all save that money because listen, I saved a lot of money this year. Just saying. Just say I'm bringing y'all this look. I know it's a little out of the ordinary, but let me tell you, I'm loving it. We got the red, we got the blue, we got the green for the palm trees, we got the yellow for the drums. Like, we have it all going on. And we got the Cabela outfit, and we got the head wraps by Bijou. I'll leave the link down below if you guys are interested. So of course, if you're not part of the royal gang, y'all, we are on the road to 10K. If you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Like, I'm judging you. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I'm on your screen. And y'all already know what it is. Let's get down to business. I have a vision. The goal today is to execute this vision. I'm going to do a voiceover just because I know I'm going to work through it and focus through it. And let's make this vision a reality. Okay, so starting off with the Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C12, I'm just going to apply that to both of my eyelids, and then I'm just going to blend that out with a stippling brush. I'm not going to set it, simply because when this concealer gets tacky, like, it automatically does its job. Going into the Box of Crayons palette, I'm going to go into the color blue with the biggest blending brush from the Royal Brush set. All of the brushes that I'm going to be using are from the Royal Brush set. I'm going to leave the link below. And I'm just going to apply that in my transition. That's literally going to be my transition color, but I'm just tapping it in lightly. I don't want the blue to be too dark. Going into tan, now I'm going to blend out the edges of this blue because we want to be seamless, baby. We want to be well blended. Now, the Magic Mini palette by Juvias Place. There's this dark navy blue. Going in with the angled brush from my brush set, I'm going to put that into the crease so I could deepen the definition first. And then I'm going to go back with that original blue that we first initially used and blend that out too. This look calls for a lot of blending. See, now I'm blending with the tan. A lot of blending. Now I'm going to take a flat shader brush from my set, go back into that same navy blue, and I'm going to just pack that color on. I'm going to pack it, I'm going to pack it, I'm going to pack it all over the lid. Now I'm just going to blend out the edges with the angled brush, and I'm going to blend out the edges with that blue color that we first initially used, and you're going to see me blend it with the tan as well. These colorful looks, you guys, they take a lot of time simply because it's a lot of blending. And then I'm just going to go back in and add some blue just to make sure that the blue doesn't like disappear. Now for the red, we're going to go into the Festival palette by Juvias Place. Going in with a big fluffy brush from my set. I'm going to take that orange, and I'm going to be very gentle with that orange because I don't want the orange to overpower the red. That's going to be my transition color. And notice how I'm dragging it out in the corner, making like a V, and then dragging it into my crease, of course higher than my eyelid. Going into the tan, I'm going to blend that out as seamless as possible. Now with the angled brush, I'm going to go into the red, and now I'm going to start applying that red in the outer V. That red is so pigmented. Oh my God. I'm going to blend it into the outer V, into my crease. And then I'm going to go back and blend. Now I'm going to take the flat shaded brush, the flat eyeshadow brush, and pack on that red until it's as dark and pigmented as I want it. Then I'm just going to take my angled brush again, blend that out, go back into that orange, blend out that outer part, and also go back into the tan and blend out that outer part. Now with the NYX Matte Liner, I'm going to apply a very thick liner. So I'm going to apply a very big liner and I'm going to wing that bad boy out. Now I'm going to take my Royal Lash Adhesive I'm going to take the glue and I'm just going to trace the top of the liner. I'm going to take an angled brush and dip it into the green glitter and apply it literally where that glue is. So the green represents the palm trees. Do this part little by little, like add a little bit of glue, then the glitter. Yo, this lick is coming out good. I'm excited now. Now I'm excited. The same thing I did with the blue side, I'm gonna do with the red. So I'm gonna take the glue, I'm gonna trace the top of my liner, hence as to why the liner had to be big. And then I'm gonna apply the glitter little by little. Look at that. Ooh, beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm going to apply some mascara. And now let's move on to the face. The clip of the foundation, I don't know where it's at, but I'm going to list the foundation in the description box. I already applied my foundation and my primer. So now I'm going to conceal my face with LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And then I'm going to blend that out with the Royal Beauty Sponge. Y'all can find this on my website, www.shadesroyalty.net. All of my products you will find on my website. Then I'm going to apply a lighter concealer. This is the Instant Age Rewind in the color Caramel. I lied, in the color Golden. And I want to brighten up underneath my eyes, so I'm going to let that set. But first, I'm going to contour my face with the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the Sculpt color to just frame my face a bit. Now going into the Sacha Buttercup powder, this is what I'm going to use to set the concealer. I'm gonna dust that away. Now I'm gonna set the face with the L'Oreal True Match powder in the color N8. In another compa break, period. Now it's time to add my lashes. We're gonna add the lashes Slay. Yes, honey, and that's on periods, poo. And I'm gonna take the Taraji Glow blush and I'm just gonna apply that to my cheeks. Gotta have the hint of red. And then I'm gonna finish the eyes. I'm gonna add the blue to the lower lash line and the red to the lower lash line as well. Now to highlight Trophy Wife, this yellow is going to represent the drums. That yellow, I'm going to add it to the inner tear duct and I'm going to use that same highlighter color to literally pop out. Pop out. For lips, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild pencil in the color Simma Brown. That's going to be my lip liner. And then for lip gloss, I'm going to use the Creme Brulee NYX Butter Gloss. And that's pretty much it. Haiti chérie, la vie pas finie. Haiti chérie. It came together the way I imagined it and even like better. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not part of the Royal Gang, make sure you hit the subscription button down below and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every single time I'm on your screen. Oh my gosh, like I'm just like in love, like in love. I will see y'all next time. Bye.